Hello everyone, and welcome back to Gadget World. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Shark AV993 IQ robot vacuum. With its self-cleaning brush roll, advanced navigation, pet hair prowess, Alexa compatibility, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this black beauty is designed to make your life easier. Join us in this comprehensive review as we explore its strengths, features, and how it can transform your cleaning routine. Let's get started. The Shark AV993 IQ robot vacuum showcases a sleek and robust design that's perfect for modern homes. Its build quality ensures durability and longevity. The standout feature here is the self-cleaning brush roll, which not only takes care of pet hair, but also minimizes maintenance, making it a must-have for pet owners. Advanced navigation technology ensures efficient and thorough cleaning, even in complex spaces, while avoiding obstacles. Alexa compatibility adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to control your vacuum with just your voice. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and schedule cleaning sessions right from your smartphone, giving you full cleaning command even when you're away from home. While the Shark AV993 IQ robot vacuum offers a plethora of smart features, it's important to consider your budget when investing in a high-tech cleaning solution. In conclusion, the Shark AV993 IQ robot vacuum is a powerful addition to your smart home ecosystem. With its sleek design, self-cleaning brush roll, advanced navigation, Alexa compatibility, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it takes the hassle out of cleaning, allowing you to enjoy more of life's moments. If you found this review informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more smart home tech reviews and insights. Explore the Shark AV993 IQ robot vacuum through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support fuels our quest for the latest in tech innovation. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the cleaning prowess of the Shark AV993, or if you're considering it as your trusty cleaning companion. Until next time, may your floors be spotless and your home be smarter than ever.